Hello students, welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. Today I am here with a revision of your chapter number 6, that is food for health. So today we are going to study about the foods that keep us healthy, and we will also study about the food groups, the time to eat, and the key to our healthy eating. So first we will start with the food that keep us healthy. So students, we get food from various plants and various animals. Why do we need food? Students, we need food to live and grow healthy, and it also gives us energy to work and play. So students, we can see various kinds of food which we obtain from various kinds of plants and animals. So students, look at this web chart. Food we eat. First one, fruits, vegetables, seeds, healthy food, junk food, cereals, pulses, and nuts. So students, the sources of our food is plants and animals. We get fruit from plants, vegetables, pulses, cereals, and dry fruits from the plant. We get milk, meat, seafood, honey, egg, etc. from animals. So students, we will now study about the food groups. We eat different types of food. Why? Because the food will help us in many ways. We should eat different kinds of food in right quantities to stay healthy and fit. So students, we can divide food which we eat in 3 different groups. So what are these groups? The first group in which our food is divided is energy giving food. The second division is the bodybuilding food, and the third is the protective food. So students, let's discuss about them. The first one is energy giving food. The food which gives us energy are called energy giving foods. The example of energy giving foods are rice, wheat, ghee, and butter. The second one is bodybuilding foods. So students, do you know what are bodybuilding foods? Foods which make our bones and muscles strong are called bodybuilding foods. The example of bodybuilding foods are milk, fish, pulses, egg. The third one is protective foods. The food which protects us from falling ill are called protective food. The example of protective food are fruits and vegetables. Students, now you will study about the time to eat. So students, here the 3 meals are given. In a day, we eat 3 main meals, that is breakfast in the morning. The spelling of breakfast is BREAKFAST, breakfast. We take breakfast in the morning. The second one is lunch. Lunch in the afternoon. The spelling of lunch is lunch. Lunch. We take our lunch in the afternoon. The third one is dinner, which is also known as supper. The spelling of dinner is dinner, dinner. The spelling of supper is supper, supper. We take our dinner at night. Now students, the last topic, that is key to healthy eating. We need to follow some rules for healthy eating. We should take our meals at right time. Eat different types of food in right amount. Eat well cooked food. Do not eat food that has been kept uncovered. It might have germs that can make you sick. Wash your hand before and after eating. Wash your mouth after eating. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Eat and drink from clean plates and glasses. Eat fresh food. Eating stale food can make you sick, so don't eat stale food. Eat meals at regular intervals and do not waste food. Students, do you know why is it important to eat fresh foods? Because stale food can make you sick. Students, do you know what are stale food? Stale means food items that have been kept for many days. So don't eat stale food. We must drink plenty of water to remain healthy. So students, in this video we learn about why do we need food and the 3 food groups and the 3 meals that we take in a day, and the most important key to our healthy eating. So students, you should follow these rules to stay healthy. So students, now I am going to give you some assignment work to practice at your home. You have to write the example of food items that you take in your breakfast, lunch and dinner. Students, you know very well we take breakfast in the morning. So you have to write the example of breakfast. Then the lunch, you know we take our lunch in the afternoon. You have to write the example of lunch. And the last one, that is dinner, which we take at night. So you have to write the example of dinner. So you can practice this in your SW copy and also read the chapter number 6, that is food for health. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to complete your assignment work which is given by me. Thank you students. Have a wonderful day.